The other day, I asked you guys here on YouTube if you wanted me to give you guys drawing tutorials on memes, and this video right here is the reason for that. As I was thinking, you know, maybe I should draw SpongeBob. I know that there are a lot of people that like to share memes of SpongeBob SquarePants, including this one right here, mocking SpongeBob, or Spongemock as he's called. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. What's up, you guys? Ramny here. Welcome to another drawing tutorial of SpongeBob. We're gonna draw mocking SpongeBob. Actually, in the show, I believe he wasn't mocking. He was actually turning into a chicken or something. I don't remember. Someone says something and then he starts acting like a chicken. So that's basically what this one is about. Anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. I've got my paper in landscape for this one. And I'm going to start right here. And I'm going to draw a nice curve from here to here. Okay, so that's much like we did with the first SpongeBob. We're going to draw these in straight lines, or sorry, not straight, but like nice curvy lines. We'll worry about the zigzaggedness of the of SpongeBob later on. Okay, I'm going to draw a line right here. This is going to be his butt right here. Okay, so it's going to be a square, and from here, yeah, we're going to bring that up. So find this corner right here. I'm going to draw like that. You see how this curve and this curve are not the same. Actually, might want to make this a little bit, just a wee bit wider. Okay, and then here, it's going to be the side, like that. Okay, this one goes straight across. The top, line over here, and there you go. So there's our basic SpongeBob shape. We're going to go from here. Now we're going to draw the back, and it's going to look like that. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to find a spot right around, let's say over here. Okay, and then we're going to draw a curve that goes into the sponge like so. And that's going to be the beginning of our face. Okay, find a spot here, come out like this, and then kind of just draw a curve like this, and that's going to be, of course, that's going to be for the face. So there you go. Excuse me. Should have drank some water before this. I just had lunch. Okay, now I'm going to find the spot right around here, and I'm going to draw this zigzag shape. So it kind of looks like this, and it goes down. Leave it like that for now. Go back over here. Draw a line going down as well. Okay, and then find a spot right here. Make a small L shape, and then bring this in like this. Okay, and this is going to be the lower lip, and it goes all the way to here. And there you go. All right. This image makes me giggle. It really does. All right, now let's figure out where the eyes are going to go, and I'm going to draw it here. It's going to be smaller than the usual eyes. So one here, about that big. And the other one is going to be closer to here, so right around here. Like so. Okay. I'm going to grab my eraser here. I'm just going to faintly erase that line. And then draw a brow here. Underneath the eye, draw a little, like a bag under the eye there. Okay, so like this. Okay. Mark that spot, and then right here, just beneath the eye, a little bit off to the side, right about 4 o'clock, on the 4 o'clock position. Curve, then right here, bring it down to here, curve, and then just close this off, and there you go. And then lastly, what you want to do is you want to bring this in a little bit so that it comes down and then goes like this. It makes a beak shape. Oh yeah, and that goes like this. So there's, it makes me laugh so much. Okay, now he's going to look, he's going to have these what do you call them? The eyes that are not looking in the same direction. They're cockeyed. Okay, so a small circle and then a smaller circle beneath it, or inside of it. And then over here, it's going to be a little bit to the bottom right, and it's going to be the same thing. Like that. Brow up here. Bags underneath. It just makes me laugh, it really does. I can't help it. Anyway, so there's our face, and it's not a hard face to really draw. Okay, now let's draw the uniform hat that he wears, and it's going to start right in the center. So find the center of this rectangular area here, and then just draw a curve like this, and bring it up forward, kind of in the same angle as the back. So it's going like this, and it gets a little bit wider at the top. Okay, dark circle at the top. Then this goes to the right and then down along. Make this oval, kind of like a rice shape, and then do the same thing over here. Color this in so it's dark. There you go. And then you've got the hat. Let's draw the brim of the hat. It comes out from here to this line, and then go back over here. Comes out like this, and then just looks like a foot. The hat actually looks like a foot. Okay, and then line inside. There you go. And of course the anchor. Okay, circle, then going down. Think of a smile, so there's a happy face there, and then a T shape, like this. There you go. All right, so let's go back over here now. Let's work on the shirt. So he's got the white shirt, and it goes like this. So these are the pants, and then here we have a black rectangle there that's kind of for the belt area. Okay, and then this goes to the back as well. There you go. Now don't shade this in too dark because it's going to be covered by his hand, and his hand is going to start. I'm going to start with a curve going like this and then out like so. And then I'm going to find a spot right around here, so kind of covering where the butt part, this line meets this line. I'm going to cover that area. It's going to look like this. So there's the sleeve. Okay, and then two lines coming out of the center of that sleeve. And then imagine this line meeting up like that. Okay, you'll go back down here and draw an elbow going up and then bending. How's that? Let me erase this little butt area here so you guys can see a little bit better. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve like this, because that's the palm. And then the fingers are going to go further up. One. And then taller middle finger. And then this one right here, like that. Okay, and then the thumb's going to be tiny, like that. Erase in here. Erase that. There you go. So he's got that. And lastly, let's draw the little curve there. If you want to see the reference photo that I'm using for this, definitely check it out in the description of this this tutorial video. And while we're here, you guys, let's cut to commercial and then let's continue working on SpongeBob. Hey guys, this video right here is brought to you by these awesome Patreon patrons. If you are interested in knowing more about how to support this channel through Patreon, check out the link down below, patreon.com/drawit2 for more details. Anyway, let's cut to commercial and then let's get back to business. All right, you guys, let's work on the feet, the legs and the feet. For SpongeBob, we're gonna start right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna draw two lines coming this way. And then over here, kind of this far away from the mouth, I'm going to draw this one going this way, so you guys see that the lines are not quite parallel to each other. Okay, this far out, I'm going to draw a line this way and like that. And what I'm doing is I'm just having lines come out of the leg like that and then going up towards SpongeBob himself. Okay, same thing over here. There you go. And then if you erase the inside, you're left with his pant legs. There you go. Okay, now this shouldn't be too far, so that's a good size right there. I'm going to end it like that, and then that's a good size. I'm going to end it there, and that's where I'm going to bend each foot. So this goes like this, this goes like this. Okay, this far is good. Cut it off right there. This one's flat, this one's curved. Okay, these are socks, so 2 stripes for the top of the sock there. 2 stripes there for the top of the sock. And then feet are easy. Start right here, come out from the ankle going down. Find a spot here, line, and then close that off. Go to the knee and then just draw a nice curve. There you go, and draw a circle right here. The shine, and then I'd shade this in, or if you're inking it, just color it black. Okay, and then this one's going to be slightly different. Comes out here, goes like this. Find a spot right here, draw a line, go across. Okay, 2 lines going down, 1, 2, and then curve. This one's a flatter curve than the previous. And then right here, the sheen on the shoe sheen, and then that's it. Okay, so we are pretty much done. What we need to do is we need to just start adding the details in. I'm going to start right here in the corner. I'm just going to draw these uneven curves going all the way to there. So try not to make your curves too much, like too similar to each other. Okay, curve to the hat, but not touching the hat. Same thing there. Okay, this goes to that edge. And now let's work on the edges. I'm going to start here on this edge. This is going to be a curve like this. Maybe not too big like that. Okay, back here as well. Forget here and down like this. Okay, now this right here is not curvy, so you want to keep this curve. Don't draw any zigzag lines, you want to keep that. Okay, go over here, this goes out like this. And then just finish it off. And there you go. Now let's just draw the spots, the sponge spots. It's got one here. 1 and 2 tiny ones. 1 above the eye. Freckles here. 1 big oval and 1 small oval down here. Okay, and then you got the usual 4. 1 big, 1 small, another big, another small, 1 long one, 1 small one, and then 2 small ones and 1 big one. That. Okay, and I think just polish up your lines. I think we are done. So again, fairly easy tutorial, not super duper hard. There you go, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this first meme tutorial that I ever did on this channel. I might make a playlist, so let me know in the comment section what other memes you guys want me to draw. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.